So next, ano ba yung dapat i-prepare natin? For example, may client na kayo, and then your client will tell you, let's post something in our Facebook. Let's post our new product. For example, may new product silang ilo-launch, and gusto ng client ninyo na mag-post kayo or gagawa kayo ng teaser or mga social media graphics tungkol doon sa kanyang upcoming product. So number one is yung mga images to use. So hingan niyo yung client ninyo, ano ba yung mga for example, may new product siya. So, hingi kayo ng pictures ng kanyang new product so that magagawa natin ng graphics. And if wala naman yung client ninyo, you could ask, tanong nyo siya, maybe may iba siyang mga virtual assistant, maybe may graphic designer siya. So, you could ask from the graphic designer. Or kung wala talaga siya, there are some free images actually that you can use sa website. For example, may pexels.com. You can use there mga free na pictures. So, pwedeng-pwede din yon. So, number 2 is yung product details to include. So, important yun. For example, yung new product niya. Ano yung name ng new product niya? Ano yung feature na i-highlight ninyo? And important din, magkano ba yung price ng new product nyo? For example, may introductory price kayo or may sale, di ba kayo? Or may discount yung bago nyong product. So, kailangan yung alamin from your client. So, third natin is yung company details. So, very important din to. Ilalagay kasi natin doon sa picture yung address ng company, yung email address, or yung mga contact numbers, and of course, yung mga social media accounts kung saan pwedeng mag-inquire yung mga potential customers ng client ninyo. So, yun lang yung kailangan natin i-prepare, yung mga images, product details, and company details. So, paghanda na kayo, pag na-prepare nyo na yung mga items na yun, we will now start using our Canva to create our social media graphics.